In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Sheets with Google Calendar step by step. Let's begin by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once it loads, click on Blank Spreadsheet under the Start a New Spreadsheet section to open a fresh sheet. Now move your cursor to the top left corner and click on the spreadsheet title where it says Untitled Spreadsheet. Type in a clear name for your file so you can identify it later as your calendar sync sheet. Next, look at the bottom left of the screen and click the small down arrow on the First Sheet tab. From the tab menu that appears, click Rename and give the tab a meaningful name that reflects the events you'll be tracking. Now, let's add some sample event rows. Click cell A1 in the spreadsheet grid to select it. Then paste the event table into the sheet. Feel free to copy and paste the pinned comment in the description below to get the same sample data. Once pasted, check the sheet and confirm that it now contains 3 event rows along with a blank event ID column, which will fill in automatically later. It's time to open Apps script. Click Extensions in the top Google Sheets menu bar. From the drop-down, click Apps script. Wait a moment for the Apps script editor to load in a new browser tab. Once the editor is open, click on the words Untitled Project in the top left corner. Rename the project to something descriptive, such as Calendar Sync Demo, and then click Rename in the dialog to confirm. Now click inside the code.gs editor area. Select all the existing starter code that's already in the editor. Replace it with the sync script provided. Again, feel free to copy and paste the pinned comment from the description so you have the exact code. Once the script is pasted in, click Save Project in the top toolbar to save your changes. Let's run the script. Click the function drop-down in the Apps script toolbar. Select Sync Sheet to Calendar from the list of available functions. Then click Run in the toolbar. If an authorization required dialog appears, click Review Permissions. Choose your Google account from the Permissions window. If you see a warning that Google hasn't verified this app, click Advanced. Then click Go to Calendar Sync Demo in the expanded warning area. On the permissions screen, click Allow to grant the script access to your calendar. Wait patiently until the app script execution finishes. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now return to the Google Sheets tab in your browser. Look at the Event ID column on the right side of the sample table. Confirm that each sample row now contains a long event ID in column H, which means the script successfully created the events in your calendar. Let's verify the events in Google Calendar. Stay on the Google Sheets tab and note the date shown in cell B2 for the first sample event. Open Google Calendar in a new browser tab. Use the mini calendar on the left to jump to the date you noted from cell B2. Confirm that the event titled Product Launch Planning appears at 10 a.m. Click the event on the calendar to open its details. Confirm that the event details show the location, Conference Room A, and the description Review Launch Checklist. Now let's edit a row and sync the update back to Calendar. Return to the Google Sheets tab and click cell A2 in the Event Title column. Change the event title by appending the word Updated, so it reads, Product Launch Planning, Updated. Return to the Apps Script tab. Click Run in the Apps Script toolbar again. Wait for the execution to finish completely. Return to the Google Calendar tab and refresh the page so it pulls in the latest data. Click the same event on the calendar that you opened earlier. Confirm that the event title now reads Product Launch Planning Updated, and check that no duplicate event was created on the same time slot. Your Google Sheets table is now fully synced to Google Calendar. The Event ID column holds the unique IDs for each created calendar event, and rerunning the script after editing a row will update the matching calendar event instead of creating a duplicate entry.